I know you've been updating us throughout the morning. Anything new to update us on? Have you seen any more arrivals?
Well, certainly already outside court, Leanne. I'm just going to look here towards my right, or rather towards my left. If you can ask our camera person, Max, to just pan towards this direction, you can see there Miles Boodoo from the Prison Rights Organization. They're carrying a placard basically calling for Oscar Pistorius to be sent to jail. Just one of the first people to arrive here in terms of the public who was saying that Oscar Pistorius should go to jail. And of course, you'd remember throughout the course of this trial and even during the bail application, the ANC Women's League was one of the organizations that has been in the forefront of this trial. You'd remember as well, you saw the ladies in green and black as well, sitting with the Steenkamp family, pledging their solidarity, saying that Oscar Pistorius should go to jail. I'm going to chat now to Jacqui Mofokeng, who is the spokesperson of the ANC Women's League here in Gauteng. Ma'am Jacqui, thank you very much for your time this morning. Today is D-Day for Oscar Pistorius. You as the Women's League, what are you hoping for?
We are hoping for him to be sentenced in jail. We are not agreeing with the house arrest because people must be equally treated in the country. We cannot forever listen to people that are insensitive, where you find that they will argue about Oscar having a rail, having a bed and a shower, when South Africans have been in jail many years and many times, even before apartheid. Now we have a person who can be, we need to be prescribed what to happen and what not to happen. The other disappointing factor that happened through this trial is about an official in the correctional service that we saw, Mr. Joel Maringa, playing a referee and a player. How do you go to the defense when you have a state case? And I hope that things like this should not happen, and I'm sure the rightful people will be able to deal with a matter like this.
Oh, you're very close to the Steenkamps. I mean, how are they feeling this morning? You've been sitting with them all along. You know what it is that they're going through.
Firstly, as the Women's League and them, we are not happy with the verdict. We know that it's culpable homicide, and we are saying that the best thing that can happen to this country is for him to go to jail.
And the Steenkamp family, how are they doing?
They are trying. Remember, today it will be like mourning their daughter again, because you heard what Kim said, and we all feel the same as mothers and fathers of this country, that nobody should lose a child like that. And remember, this is not the first case. Cases have been there, they've never been televised, and I'm sure this was going to be an eye-opener that we need to take matters of women and children in a very, very serious way, especially the killing.
Oh, Jacqui, I wish I had more time. Of course, there's other news that we need to attend to here on Morning Live, but certainly we'll be looking to Oscar Pistorius as he arrives here, Leanne, as well as his family and the family of the Steenkamps as well, and certainly what other activity there will be here outside the court. We understand there are other groups that will be outside the court as well, some here to say that Oscar Pistorius should go to jail, and others that are saying that basically Oscar Pistorius has suffered enough. Of course, you'd know that is the line that the defense is taking, that Oscar Pistorius has suffered enough over the past 18 months and should basically do community service for shooting and killing Reeva Steenkamp.
All right, Chriselda, thank you very much for the updates outside of that court. And I'm glad you did mention the family of Reeva, because there seems to be so much attention right now on Oscar Pistorius and his fate. And I think we also need to just think of the parents of Reeva at this point, Barry and June Steenkamp, who have gone through such a difficult time. And we can never, ever measure on this. And, of course, they've lost a daughter through all of this. So really, it's a very emotional day for a lot of people attending that court today.